Yucatan, Mexico, October 8, 2024. Storm surge and high winds caused by Hurricane Milton were reported in many parts of Mexico Yucatan Peninsula on Tuesday. The port of Celestún, Yucatan, faces a serious emergency after the passage of Hurricane Milton. They report that the seawater has flooded almost the entire area, joining the estuary with the ocean.
Hace media hora sí, había arena por toda esta parte. Ahorita toda esta parte ya está llena de agua.
Hurricane Milton has rapidly intensified into an extremely dangerous Category 5 storm as it tears its way towards the U.S. state of Florida. Milton is bringing ferocious winds of up to 285 km/h as it skirts the northern edge of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Forecasters warn of potentially catastrophic storms surge along coastal areas. The storm is expected to hit the heavily populated city of Tampa Bay with full force on Wednesday. A very critical situation has also been reported in Isla Arena area, where the rotational movement of Hurricane Milton has caused sea levels to rise and the island has been flooded. In some parts, the water level has risen by up to 60 centimeters. One person has also been reported to have lost his life after being swept away by strong waves. However, due to its remote locations, it is difficult to evacuate the area. The sea level has risen in the municipalities of Campeche, Chimpoten, Sabiaplaya, and Carmen with high waves, so state authorities with the National Guard, Navy, and Army are urging citizens to stay in their homes and stay away from these areas. Sheets of water have also been reported on the access route to Isla de Carmen and on the boardwalk of the city of the Champotu, while boats in small fishing ports sank due to the impact between them. The scene in Mérida, Yucatan, hours after Hurricane Milton made landfall was also alarming. Local authorities have implemented preventive measures, urging residents to stay informed and take the necessary precautions. The usually bustling streets are early quiet, with some people securing their homes and others seeking shelters in safer places. Thick gray clouds gather in the sky, and the wind is picking up, signaling the arrival of heavy rain and strong winds. Meanwhile, in U.S., Floridians have been told to prepare for the state's largest evacuations effort in years. Governor Ron DeSantis has warned that the time for people to evacuate is quickly running out. The National Hurricane Center warned torrential rain and flash flooding can be expected across parts of the Florida from late Monday. It added that life-threatening storm surge and damaging winds along portions of Florida's west coast were possible from late Tuesday or early Wednesday.